Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to mute sounds in our Samsung Galaxy A55. So, how to turn off sounds in our phone? The easiest way to do it is simply swipe from the top and we have a speaker icon here. When we tap it once, we have vibrations only. When we tap it twice, we have no vibrations, no sounds, no ringtones at all. We have the same function here. Settings, then sounds and vibration, and at the top we have the same three options: vibrate only, mute all sounds, and vibrations too. And as you can see, we can also use vibrate while ringing options, and here we have temporary mute options too if you want to change it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.